Okay, so this is the front shank. We're gonna cut Osso Bucco out of this, or shanks. So on this is where the shoulder clod piece sits. So this is with the shoulder clod removed. This is the humerus. The line on the shanks is gonna be just below where that humerus sits. So we can cut this to release where the humerus goes. So there's the humerus, we can use that for soup bones. And then here's the front shank. So we'll cut this into beef shanks. Okay, so these beef shank pieces, we'll get a bone scraper and clean this up. That's a cross-cut beef shank. So this is the hind shank and the femur. So we remove that femur, so we'll use that for soup bones. Hind shank, we can do into a Thor's hammer. So I'll trim some of this extra trim down real quick. Pull this back tendon so I can get this cleaned up a little bit. Okay, so from here, we're going to take off, flatten the top. We'll take off the bottom, which leaves us with this middle. So on a Thor's hammer, we're gonna mark up. I usually like to do like about a hand width, so it's like a handle. So I'm gonna cut this really hard all the way down to the bone, straight across, so it has a nice seam. On this side, you can see the shin bone exposed. I'm gonna cut with my knife right up against that shin bone to get under that membrane. Cleaning that all up. So that is a Thor's hammer.